They said it's a great day for burning. Whew, we got our work cut out for us. The goal is to eventually get this whole side of the yard.
I can't get this thing started.
Woo-wee. This whole side of the yard was a staging area for all the junk that we had to pull up and get out of the other side of the yard to repair the fence a couple years ago. So this year, this whole side is gonna become our victory garden, huh? Good job, girls. Go get the garden ready. Good job, girls. Whew. Here's my progress. Getting there. Oh, such an epic amount of work, but worth it. So this is another one of those wonderful things of having an integrated life. My beautiful ladies are coming over and scratching everything up as I clear it out. My little boogaloo is over there working hard, getting all the bugs. Oh my God, is this a project? This is Victory Garden on entirely different levels. Me against. Actually, that's not even true because I'm not really against anything here. Just cleaning up after some not great choices others made to make this beautiful garden into a landfill. So we're finding so much just trash. Look at that, wasn't even exposed a moment ago. Good job, girls. Good job getting all the trash. Pick that up, throw it out. This is going to be such a beautiful space. I'm just beyond excited, beyond grateful. Not just to have this space, but also to have my well-being back enough this year to actually do something with it. Yay, life. What you working on?
I'm trying to cut this one down, and I can't.
These are really hard wood, huh? Well, that's okay. You don't have to do it. But hey, look at me. Thanks for working so hard out here, my love.
Thanks.
You want to tell everybody what this area is going to be?
This is going to be our pond.
Yeah, eventually this is going to be the back side of the pond. Maybe put a little bistro set out here. I have a feeling this used to be a beautiful pond before we moved in. We've been here 4 years, but it's got all the makings of something awesome. It'll be right next to the pool. Yeah. Maybe grow some duckweed for the chickens. Woohoo, woohoo, woo. Well, this is more than a couple of good days' work. I'm about 3.5 hours in today, but I do feel like I am making headway. I relocated a compost bin over here. There's just this absolutely stunning English ivy everywhere back here in what used to be, I'm sure, a beautiful secret garden. And I will get it back. We are getting it back. I was using that wheelbarrow to grab 1 bucket's worth of this stuff and found that while it's definitely harder work, it's a lot less trips to just load up this here tarp. with all this junk. Oh my God. It's unbelievable. Me and my reclamation project, one twig at a time. This is where I'm at now. I still have that pile. The vines that I all pulled off of the fence. But I mean, it's pretty big. Thanks, girls. So stay tuned, friends, for phase 2. I'm giving a little sneak peek here, but we finally got everything cleared out. In this picture, the garden is not yet planted, but it is now. I hope you can follow along with our 2020 pandemic victory garden experience.